How's it going? I'm Andrew Garrett, Executive Chef and owner of Northwest Elixirs, based out of Portland, Oregon. We're here today to tell you about our Rojo Hott and our Bangkok Hott. First up is our Bangkok Hott. It's a Thai-inspired hot sauce that's perfect for stir fries, marinades, fish, and chicken. Today I'm going to show you how to make a real simple Thai-inspired chicken wing dish, featuring only 5 ingredients. Bangkok Hott, cilantro, lime, green onions, and chicken wings. The only thing we're going to do is we're going to toss them, a little bit of Bangkok Hott. We're going to toss them, let them sit overnight. We'll toss them on the grill, let them get nice and golden brown. Perfect, crispy, kind of sweet, kind of smoky, really nice spicy finish. It's perfect to serve with something like steamed rice, a little bit of lime juice squeezed across the top, and of course some chopped cilantro for a little bit of color. If you want to get your hands on some of this awesome hot sauce, join our Kickstarter campaign. The link is in the comments below.